Do you ever want something just quick and tasty and delicious for breakfast? Well, here it is. Quick, easy, simple French toast. This is literally all you need. Your eggs, your bread, your milk, olive oil, salt, pepper, and any kind of little seasoning. I'm going to go with oregano today just for something different. And here we go. So the first thing is to put a nice dollop of olive oil on your pan, because you don't want your French toast sticking to the pan. Not the best thing to be doing. Give your eggs a good old mix, all the while your pan is heating. Now I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of my oregano, or oregano, whatever you wish to call it. And I'm going to put a bit of my salt and pepper, just a little sprinkle. You can always add more if you don't like the taste of the first one. Now we have a nice hot pan, mixture ready to go, and bread ready to go. Let's see how we get on. This is the fun part. Give it a good drowning in the egg mixture. You can use any kind of bread for this. Of course, homemade bread would be the nicest, but we're not that organised here this week. Kids are off school. Here we go. Let's listen to the sizzle. We'll get another one on there quick enough so that they'll be done around the same time. So what do you like to drizzle over your French toast? Me? Maple syrup is my favourite. You know what else is absolutely delicious? That salad dressing I made. Would you believe it? It's true. So we'll give them a good 30 seconds here on the hot pan, and then we'll be able to check how they're getting on. Just have a little peek, make sure it's not sticking. I love to use a metal flipper on my pan. A little peek. Oh! These are doing really fast. Wow, look at that. Wow. Superb. Another 30 seconds maybe there, and we'll see how we get on. The trick I find with these is to have a good hot pan and plenty of oil. Another little check. Little flip maybe. Oh, these are going to be delicious. I really hope you try them. Let me know if you do. And let me know those toppings, what you like on your French toast too. Also, of course, a little bit of grated cheese would be delicious. Maple syrup, golden syrup. You let me know what you like. And those two are ready to go. Now I'm going to repeat and make a nice stack, because I have 3 hungry kids and myself ready for this. Let's keep cooking. I should probably add a little bit more oil to the pan too. You ready for another sizzle? Ready, go. Yo, lovely. It really is a quick, easy, delicious, tasty breakfast. And oh so good for you. Great way to get your eggs into your kids in the morning. And here we have it. Delicious French toast drizzled in maple syrup. The pure kind, of course. Now, how long did all that take? Not very long at all. You go for it. Have a delicious breakfast. Enjoy it with your family. Oh, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Thanks a million for joining me in my kitchen. I shall speak with you soon. Bye. God bless this food. Amen.